First one today. I haven't caught any other ones.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Harrison County and east central Ohio.
Let me check the previous ones.
East central Ohio, Coshocton County and east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County and east central Ohio, northwestern Belmont County and east central Ohio, southwestern Tuscarawas County and east central Ohio, northern Noble County and east central Ohio, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coshocton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Cambridge, Freeport, Newcomerstown, Isville, West Lafayette, Dresden, Antrim, Warsaw, Senecaville, Conesville, Holloway. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 between mile markers 174 and 196. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 41 and 68. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Tuscarawas, Ohio.
It's raining here.
Do a ton of damage and put large areas of the coast